PowerPoint has a lot of tools to help you format text accessibly. When making lists, make sure you use the bulleted or ordered list tools instead of using manually pasted images or symbols. Open the bullets and numbering window to select a special symbol or import a small picture. You can also select from Microsoft's icon library, which is a collection of vectors that will be colored to match your theme. If you need more space between your bullets, select your text frame and then open the paragraph window. Adjust the values in the spacing section to get the distance you want. Make this change universal to your deck by applying it to the appropriate slide master. To create a link, find the Links group of the Insert tab, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K. Whenever possible, give a link meaningful text that provides sufficient information about the target by itself. If you want to display the URL, consider using a link shortening tool like tinyurl or bit.ly. This isn't necessary if your target path is something simple, like wssb.wa.gov, but may be a good idea if sharing a video or document. Use Pascal case to help assistive technology parse any words in the path. That means capitalizing the first letter of any words that occur. Add a screen tip with an appropriate description of the target, like you would use for meaningful link text. You may also want to include a QR code alongside your link that people can scan during the presentation. You can use Adobe Express to make free QR codes without making an account. When you're making a table, make sure you're using it to organize related data and not just for visual layout of content. The checkboxes in the Table Style Options group in the Table Design tab of the ribbon affect both the visual style of your table and how it is interpreted by assistive technology. Check the header row box if each of the cells in your first row describe the contents of their column. Check the first column box if your leftmost column will contain header cells that label your rows. Tables that have both a header column and a header row are easier to navigate and understand than tables that do not. Avoid designing a table that relies on merged or split cells.